Many of Tokyo's neighborhoods don't make it to travel guides. They are places where locals live and their daily lives, not full of tourist attractions, and maybe not the Japan you first imagined. But after your second or third visit, you might find them more fun. Today I'd like to explore around Tokyo's major station, Shinagawa Station. It's a place where you can still see the old Tokyo scenery. Let's start from Takanawa Gateway Station. Hello friends. So this is episode 2 of the Tokyo's off the beaten path walk that not many people have walked. Today I'd like to start from this Takanawa Gateway Station. This is right next to Shinagawa Station and everything is made new, and this is like a future form of the JR Yamato Line stations. Takanawa Gateway Station opened in 2020 on the site of the former rail yard. Also names like Takanawa and Shibaura ranked highest in the public poll. The station was controversially named Takanawa Gateway, a decision that sparked a public debate. Today, the station is in the center of the major urban development project of Takanawa Gateway City. Oh, this is a new city they're building right now. JR East is making the shopping center and office building and hotels in front of Takanawa Gateway Station. So right now we just came out of here and we on the upper deck, and there will be a new building. The Link Pillar 2 is the name of the building, and residence is at the edge. And there will be a Sengakuji station of Keikyu line and Toei Asakusa line. There are lots of nice little neighborhood around this area. So let's walk here today and go towards south. I see Rainbow Bridge going to Odaiba. On the other side of the Takanawa Gateway Station, there's a Sengakuji Station. And we come out there, it seems. This is the entrance to the Sengakuji Temple. Forest stand. This is a popular lunch place, it looks like. And this is the Sengakuji Station, Toei Asakusa Line station, and it's also the start station of Keikyu Line. It's a lunchtime, so people coming out to the street and looking for a place to eat. And now we are getting into Sengakuji Temple. And all the noise of the city just disappeared, and it's quiet here. The Sengakuji Temple. Sengakuji is known as the burial site of the 47 Ronin, samurai who avenged their lords after he was unfairly punished and forced to take his own life at Edo Castle in the early 18th century. After fulfilling their duty, the Ronin were ordered to commit seppuku. Now they rest in peace in Sengakuji Temple. Wow, the green is so beautiful. Wow. Statue of the late Sawaki Kodoroshi. He dedicated his life to the propagation and revitalization of the Zazen as an authentic and fundamental Buddhist practice. It's Akoroshi Cemetery and Akoroshi Cemetery is in this place. And you can enter with a little admission here. So there's an English guidance here that you can listen the story about this Sengakuji temple. So you can listen to a story and you can walk around the temple.
Sengakuji Temple is well known throughout Japan.
And this is a shikinkutsu. The water makes sound. Can you hear? Sengakuji Soto Shoes Temple, known for the Zen Buddhism. This Sengakuji area, there are so many more temples. So let's explore a little pathway around this area. Let's go this little path next to the temple. On the east side of the temple, there's a little pathway, and you can go to the behind of the temple. And there's a little temple town there too. So you go between this high school and the little pathway continues. And now come out to the street behind the Sengakuji temple. And here there's another temple. So there are lots of nice little paths like this on this area. So let's explore more of this area. This is a dentist. Very nice retro building. I think it was around here, I thought. It's really right behind the condominiums. Everyone has different justice. Sri Lankan embassy here. And this is Isarago traffic light. And there's a Peacock, a supermarket. It's a quiet residential area here. There's a little park here and the flowers are so beautiful. And if you go down here, there's a Yūreisaka, means ghost slope. The reason it's called Yūreisaka is there are lots of temples on both sides of the slope, and the atmosphere is kind of the sad, so it's called Yūrei ghost slope. And there are 7 ghost slopes in Tokyo. Now I see Tokyo Tower. This is a Yūreisaka slope, and both sides of the street, the temples and the atmosphere was a bit abandoned, probably. That's the right word to say. That's why it's called Ghost Slope, Yūreisaka. And right now it's very sunny, late April, so it looks super bright. But when I came here, like a midsummer's evening, it was a little kind of mysterious atmosphere here, I remember. And this is Jōdoshu's temple. Myoin. I like this temple because many temples say no dogs inside, but it says you can come in with a dog. It has a brochure of the Hasedera of Nara that we went recently. They have lots of dogs, kind of food on the shrine, so it's a very nice little cute temple here. The Sotoshu's Jorinji. It's a very beautiful inside. This place is so beautiful. There's a shrine too here. So something I have to share is when you visit, make sure to be very quiet. Most of the temples are open to visitors, but be very respectful, trying to understand the concept and try not to make a loud talk and always stay quiet. Also, never go off these steps and go inside the kind of this and the garden to take picture or so. So many beautiful Japanese temples and gardens. Tokyo cat specialist. This is a little shrine I always remember. So let's walk towards the Sengakuji Station. And this is another temple. Nichirenshu Shokyoji. So in Edo period, this was along the Tokaido route connecting Tokyo, which was Edo and Kyoto. And when you come from Nihonbashi to Shinagawa direction, you see the hill on the right side. It's called Takanawa Gateway, which is where we are now. And there's a huge enoki trees, 2 enoki trees there. And it became a good symbol of the travelers passing by. So from some days, people said to call it Nihon Enoki. And this became the location name here. And now this place is called Takanawa area, but until recently it was called Nihon Enoki, the address is called. It's interesting because it's such a city center inside the loop of Yamanote line, but feels like really countryside if you came, or something really nostalgic. Nice retro sandwich shop and tailor shop. Blue Lingerie Seiji Asakura. So I got 2 croissant. Boulangerie Seiji Sakura. Very cute bag. 高野山テンプルズ東京ブランチ高野山東京別院doing the chant right now. And there are Takanawa Church right next to the 高野山. And this is the Grand Prince Hotel Shin Takanawa. There's 3 Prince Hotel here. Grand Prince Hotel Takanawa and Shin Takanawa. Then Shinagawa Prince Hotel. And this is Shin Takanawa. This is a good area to stroll around, especially if you are staying in Shinagawa area. Unfortunately, it's not an area with lots of shops and restaurants, but it's an area that gives you a glimpse of how Tokyo used to be. This series continues, so I hope you find your favorite quiet spots in Tokyo. If you liked the content, please click like button and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a great trip to Tokyo. Have a great week until the next video.